In this video, I'm going to show you another way to add WhatsApp to your WordPress website easily and quickly.
So from inside my dashboard, I am coming down to plugins, add plugin. And what I'm going to type here is floating WhatsApp. And I am going to search for results. And as I scroll down, I see this one, chat floating button by XD. So I am going to go to more details and see what it's all about. And it says that it adds beautiful customizable floating WhatsApp button to your WordPress website and help visitors contact you instantly with one click. So what I'm going to do is close this out from here. And what I'm going to do is hit install now. And it's installing. It has been installed and now I'm going to activate it. So it has been activated and I can see it has placed a link on the left side of this window. And right up front, it seems to be prompting me to upgrade to the Pro version. So I'm just scrolling down here a little bit to see what it's included. And from here, I can enter my WhatsApp number and configure the button position and other things. So let me just go ahead and do that quickly here. First option will be to enter my WhatsApp number. So I'm just going to do that now. It says that I shall enter a +sign and a country code. All right, so I've entered my number and button style. I'm just gonna leave it on the right. I can also put it on the left. Next setting is hide button on mobile devices or desktop devices, but I wanna show it on both of them. And as you can see on the top left corner, it says that these settings in the basic configuration are for the free version. And these other options are for the premium version. So I'm just going to scroll down a little bit here and hit save settings. And it says settings saved successfully. So that seems to be pretty much the free version options. So what I'm going to do is to go to my mobile device and see how it works. So I'm here on my mobile device and what I'm going to do is just open up my WP Chat Solutions site. And as you can see, there is a WhatsApp icon on the lower right corner. Let me just go ahead and touch it to see what happens. And it seems to be opening directly on WhatsApp from where I can enter something. So I will just say, hi there, I need help. And I'm just going to send that. So it seems to be working on WhatsApp. So I'm back to WordPress. And what I'm going to do here is just change the button position to left. And I'm just going to scroll down and save the settings. So I've saved the settings and it says that settings saved successfully. So let me just jump back to my mobile device and see if it really changed to the left. So here am I again on my mobile device. And what I just did is to change the position to the left. So I'm just going to fire up my WP Solutions website. And as you can see, the icon has been moved to the left. Just in case this doesn't happen, all you have to do is to clear the cache inside WordPress. And to clear the cache, the easiest way to do it is to just open up any post and go to quick edit and just enter a space in the title and update. And that will clear the cache on your WordPress website. So coming back here to my mobile device, I can open up the WhatsApp floating icon on the lower left corner. And as you can see, it does take me back right to WhatsApp where I can enter another message and says, hey, I still need help. And as you can see, it worked in both cases.
So as you can see, that is how to add WhatsApp to your WordPress website easily and quickly. But now, stay with me to watch more videos about WordPress chat solutions.